Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to uncover a hidden gem that lies just beyond the bustling streets of Delhi. While Delhi is known for its vibrant culture and historical landmarks, we're setting our sights on a lesser-known destination that promises to surprise and delight. Just a short drive away, we find ourselves in Faridabad, a city that often gets overlooked in the shadow of its famous neighbour. Don't let its proximity to the capital fool you. Faridabad has its own unique charm and a wealth of experiences to offer. From historical landmarks that tell tales of the past to bustling industrial areas that drive the economy, Faridabad is a destination in its own right. Did you know that Faridabad is one of the largest industrial centres in North India? Its factories and industries play a crucial role in the region's development. This makes it a fascinating blend of traditional Indian life and modern progress. You can witness the coexistence of age-old traditions and cutting-edge technology, but it's not all work and no play in Faridabad. The city offers plenty of recreational activities and green spaces for relaxation and enjoyment. For tourists, Faridabad boasts some real hidden gems, from serene parks to vibrant markets. There's something for everyone to explore and enjoy. So are you ready to discover the heart of Haryana? Join us as we delve into the rich tapestry of Faridabad's culture, history and industrial might. Come along with me as we dive deep into the essence of Faridabad, a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, the traditional with the modern. Let's uncover the stories, the people and the spirit that make Faridabad a true hidden gem. Every city has a story, and Faridabad's begins in the 17th century. Our tale starts with a man named Shaikh Farid. He was a respected treasurer during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Shaikh Farid established Faridabad in 1607. His goal? To protect the Grand Trunk Road, a major trade route that still exists today. He built a fort here, and the city grew around it. Over the centuries, Faridabad saw many rulers and empires come and go, but its strategic location ensured it remained an important centre. Today, the city still bears the mark of its founder's vision. It's a testament to Faridabad's enduring spirit and its ability to adapt and thrive through changing times. Now, let's talk about what makes Faridabad truly unique. Its industrial prowess. This city is a powerhouse, a major manufacturing hub in India. If you can dream it, chances are Faridabad makes it. From automobiles to electronics, toys to textiles, Faridabad's industries are incredibly diverse. Major companies have set up shop here, drawn by the skilled workforce and business-friendly environment. This industrial might means jobs and opportunities. It's what drives Faridabad's growth and makes it a vital part of India's economy. One of the things that struck me about Faridabad is how easy it is to get around. The city is very well connected, both within its limits and to the outside world. Faridabad is linked to Delhi by a network of roads and highways. The Delhi Metro's Violet Line extends into Faridabad. This makes commuting a breeze for residents and visitors alike. There are also plans for further expansion of the metro network, which is exciting news. For those who prefer to travel by train, Faridabad has its own railway station. It's a major stop on the Delhi-Mathura route, and if you need to travel farther afield, Delhi's international airport is just a short drive away. Section 5. At a tapestry of culture and tradition. While Faridabad might be known for its industries, its cultural side is just as captivating. The city is a melting pot of traditions and customs, reflecting the diversity of its people. Festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm in Faridabad. Diwali, Holi, Eid. Each festival brings its own unique flavor to the city. It's a wonderful opportunity to experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. And let's not forget the food. From street food stalls to fine dining restaurants, Faridabad offers a range of culinary delights. Be sure to try some of the local Haryanvi cuisine. You won't be disappointed. Section 6. Faridabad for the explorer. Don't let the industrial landscape fool you. Faridabad has a surprising number of attractions for those looking to explore. This city, often overshadowed by its more famous neighbours, has a charm and character all its own. From bustling markets to serene lakes, Faridabad offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every kind of traveller. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply enjoy a bit of peace and quiet, there's something for everyone. The city is a melting pot of cultures and traditions, reflected in its vibrant festivals and local cuisine. You can spend your days exploring ancient monuments or simply soaking in the local atmosphere at one of the many parks and gardens. Just a short drive from the city centre, you'll find the tranquil Badkal Lake. This picturesque spot is perfect for a day out with family or friends. The lake, surrounded by lush greenery, offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. You can enjoy boating, picnicking, or simply take a leisurely stroll along the water's edge. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy some fresh air. The serene environment makes it an ideal spot for meditation and yoga, allowing you to reconnect with nature and find inner peace. Families often come here to spend quality time together, making it a popular spot for picnics and outdoor activities. History enthusiasts will want to visit the Raja Nahar Singh Palace. This historic site, also known as Balabgarh Fort Palace, is a testament to the region's rich heritage. The palace, with its stunning architecture and intricate details, offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the royals who once resided here. This majestic structure offers a glimpse into the region's royal past. Visitors can explore the various rooms and courtyards, each telling a story of its own. The palace also houses a museum with a collection of artifacts and exhibits that provide deeper insights into the history and culture of the area. And if you're looking for something truly unique, head to Surajkund. This site is not just an architectural marvel, but also a cultural hub. The Surajkund Mela, held annually, is a vibrant celebration of arts and crafts, attracting artisans and visitors from across the globe. This ancient amphitheatre is a marvel of ancient Indian architecture and hosts an annual crafts mela that attracts visitors from all over the world. The mela is a riot of colours, sounds and flavours, offering a unique opportunity to experience the rich cultural tapestry of India. From traditional handicrafts to folk performances, there's something to captivate every visitor. Section 7. The Heart of Progress, Education and Healthcare. Faridabad isn't just about industry and history, it's also a city that values progress, particularly in the crucial areas of education and healthcare. The city is home to several reputed educational institutions, including engineering colleges, management schools, and research centres. This focus on education is helping to shape a brighter future for Faridabad's younger generation. In terms of healthcare, Faridabad boasts a good network of hospitals and medical facilities. From multi-specialty hospitals to smaller clinics, residents have access to quality healthcare services. Section 8. Faridabad's urban transformation. Like any growing city, Faridabad faces its share of challenges. Over the past few decades, Faridabad has seen rapid urbanization, transforming from a modest town into a bustling urban centre. This growth, while bringing numerous opportunities, has also introduced a set of complex challenges that the city must navigate. Traffic congestion and pollution are concerns that need to be addressed. The increasing number of vehicles on the road has led to frequent traffic jams, making daily commutes a hassle for residents. Additionally, the rise in vehicular emissions has contributed significantly to air pollution, affecting the health and well-being of the city's inhabitants. But what's encouraging is that the city is taking steps to tackle these issues head-on. The local government, in collaboration with various stakeholders, is actively working on comprehensive urban planning strategies. These initiatives aim to create a more organized and efficient city layout, ensuring that the infrastructure can support the growing population. New infrastructure projects, including flyovers and wider roads, are being developed to ease traffic flow. These projects are designed to reduce congestion and improve connectivity within the city. By expanding the road network and constructing new flyovers, the city aims to provide smoother and faster transit options for its residents. The city is also promoting green initiatives to combat pollution and create a more sustainable environment. Efforts such as tree plantation drives and the installation of solar panels are steps towards reducing the city's carbon footprint. These green spaces not only help in improving air quality, but also provide recreational areas for the community to enjoy. Faridabad is a city on the move, constantly evolving and adapting to meet the demands of the 21st century. The introduction of a modern metro system has revolutionized public transport, offering a reliable and efficient alternative to road travel. Additionally, the city is becoming a hub for tech startups, fostering innovation and economic growth. It's a city with a rich past and an even brighter future. Faridabad's historical landmarks stand as a testament to its vibrant heritage, while the modern buildings symbolize its progress and aspirations. The city hosts numerous cultural festivals celebrating its diverse traditions and bringing the community together. So, the next time you're planning a trip, consider venturing off the beaten path and discovering the hidden gem that is Faridabad. From its scenic spots to its unique cultural experiences, Faridabad offers a blend of the old and the new, making it a destination worth exploring. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an urban explorer, Faridabad has something for everyone.